Alright, here the directions say to graph each inequality statement. So, number 1 says a number x is at least 5. So, at least. We need to figure out what inequality symbol represents at least. So, we're going to start by putting an open circle on 5, because remember, let's make it open first, then we can fill it in if we need to. So, if it is at least 5, that means 5 is the smallest it can be, which means we should probably fill in the circle because it's at least 5. It can be 5. And then we have to check our numbers to see which direction we should shade. So is 0 at least 5? No, 0 is less than 5. Is 3 at least 5? Nope. Is 6 at least 5? Yes, because it's bigger than 5, so it's at least 5. So we're going to shade to the right here. So you're going to do your shading and put an arrow on the end. So there we've graphed a number x is at least 5. Number 2, y is less than or equal to negative 3. This one spells it out very specifically exactly how you would read it. So we're going to go to negative 3, put our circle. It says less than or equal to. This or equal to part means I can fill in my circle because negative 3 satisfies this inequality. It makes it true. Now it says y is less than. So less than, we're going to shade all of the numbers on the number line that are less than negative 3. So we're going to shade to the left because it's less than. Alright, number 3, a number n is no more than 0. So we're going to put our circle on 0 to start. So a number n is no more than 0. So that means it can be 0, it just can't be more than 0. So we're going to fill in the 0, and so it's no more than 0. So we want to shade all the numbers that are less than 0, which would be this direction over here. Because all of these numbers, you guys say, okay, is negative 6 no more than 0? Yeah, it's not more than 0. Is positive 6 no more than 0? No. So we know we shaded in the correct direction. And then the last one, number 4, n is greater than 2. This one, again, spells it out very nicely what we need to do. So we're going to go to 2, we're going to put a circle there. It says n is greater than 2. So we are going to leave that circle open because 2 does not satisfy this inequality. And then n is greater than 2. You want to shade in the direction where the numbers are greater than 2, which would be over here, because all of these numbers are greater than 2. And that's the final answer.